To start a new project in DesignerLogic, click on the New button from the home page. You can select a contact from your contact list, or you can simply just type in the name of the project. Choose a project code, which is an abbreviation. You can upload an image. Select the tax description, which will give the tax rate for all the proposals and invoices on that project. And you can also select staff who have access to that project, or you can leave it for everyone to have access for that project. And you can also select a lead designer, and then simply just fill out the project name. And you can see down here in the billing address box, it will autofill this information that you typed in. Now this is the information that shows up on all the printouts, and that will show up also on all the invoice and proposal printouts. And if this is a new contact, you can save that person to your contacts list as well. And then you want to just click on the submit, and you can choose to add information to that project right now, or you can just go to the project dashboard by default, and we're going to do that. And here you can do a lot of things. You can add different items to that project. You can add tasks and events and everything else in the project dashboard. And we have a separate video for how this works. This video is just to show you how to start a project. Now you can also start a project on the fly anywhere in DesignerLogic from the shortcuts menu. Down under clients right here, just click on new project, and that will bring you right to that form that we were just on. And also, if you're in a contact, say you already have a contact in here and you want to start a new project for them, just click on their name, and you want to go up to edit add, and then choose to add a project to that contact, and then just click on this button, and that will basically open up the form, and you just fill out the information there, and that will start the project as well.